First question. Send me the answer. I need answers. Okay. Calculate this one. You will get one answer. Okay. Send me that answer. Kritika, wrong answer. Vishal Gowda, right. Tej Kiran, right. Nidhi, right. Nishchit, wrong answer. Harichandan, right. Akrut, right. Lohit, right. Rohini, wrong. Rohini, Ayanin, yay. Ullas, right. Bhuvan, right answer. Kirtan, right. Jaideep, wrong. Harsha, wrong. Aisiri, right. Rishi, right. Chandana, right. Sheetal, wrong. Maiz, wrong. Danvita, right answer. Chintana, right. Suraj, right. Purvik, right. Tanmay, SH, right. Just a minute. Yuvraj, right answer. Chumanna, right. Harsha, wrong. Chitra, wrong answer. Putvika, wrong. Dheeraj, right. Manoj, right answer. Aditya, M, right. Rohini, right. Yeshu, right. Shashank, BR, right. Vaibhav, Lakshmi, wrong. Sheetal, right. Anaga, wrong. Shashank, BR, right. Jaideep, right. Shalini, wrong. Tarun, wrong. Yeshu, right. Karthik, right answer. Kirtana, right. Karthik, right. Okay. Harsha, now it is right. Savita, wrong. Harsha, right. Surya, right answer. Kritika, wrong. Vaibhav, Lakshmi, right. Naomi, right. Mais, right answer. Anaga, wrong. Sadhvi Patil, wrong. Kishan, wrong. Okay, see here. I will answer this one. Balaji, wrong. Mithun, right. Naomi, Harsha, sorry, Harsha and Rohini. ಏನಾಯ್ತೆಲ್ಲ ಮರ್ತೋದ್ರ ನೀವು ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸೇ ಮರ್ತ್ರ ಏಯ್ ನಿನ್ನ ಈ ತರದ ಯಾವ ಸಣ್ಣ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ See, 1 into 0. Remember this one. Okay. Any number multiplied by 0 is 0 only. ಯಾವುದೇ ನಂಬರ್ ಜೊತೆ 0 ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ 0 ನೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಓಕೆ. So here 0 you will get. Next, take this plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2. Now add all these. See, and also if you add any number with 0, plus 0, you will get that number only. Okay, that any number will come. ಯುವರಾಜ್ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಇವಾಗ? ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಓಕೆ. ಏನೋ ಮೈಕ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅವಾಗ. We need to fix that one. Okay, say understood this one. We'll move on to next one. Yeah, find out the answer for this. Read the question carefully. The given table shows the number of hours Vinay watched TV. Kushal S. Gowda, right answer. Chandana, right. Mithun, right. Harichandan, right. Ullas, right. Tej Kiran, right. Yashas, right. Lohit, right. Lohit Tanmay, right. Okay. Aishiri, right. Harsha, right. Yuvraj, right. Naomi, right. Suraj, right. Yuvraj, right. Yashus, right. Nishchit, right. Aishiri, right. Aditya, what you are sending, man, wrong. Aditya M. Aditya M, right. Rohini, right. Surya, right. Kishan, wrong. Nitish, right answer. Anaga, right. Nidhi, right. Mahish, right. Kushal M, right. Sadhvi, not understanding. Okay. Sheetal, right. Kushal M, right. Vaibhav Lakshmi, right. Akrut, right. Prithvika, right. Vishal, right. Tanmay SH, I think you sent wrong. Okay. Karthik, right. Kruti, right. Chumarna, what you are sending? Tarun, wrong. Danvita, right. Chintana, right. Dheeraj, right. Samanvita, right. Rishi, wrong. See here. The given table shows the number of hours when I watch TV on different days. See, ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, see here. Monday. How many hours he is watching on Monday? 3 hours, right? Okay, see, Vinay is watching on Tuesday 2 hours. Next, Wednesday 4 hours. Thursday 2 hours. Friday 2 hours. And Saturday 5 hours. Okay, how many hours does Vinay watch TV in a week? Complete ಒಂದು ವಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತು ಟಿವಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾನಂತೆ. Okay, how many hours he is watching in a week? Total it this one. So if you add all this, 3, 2, 5, 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 2, 11, 11 plus 2, 13, 13 plus 5, 18. Clear? Answer is 18 hours. Shall I move on to next one? Ready? See, here is the next question. Oh my God, some spider came. This is spider question. Mithun wrong. Yashas wrong. Kushal S. Gowda wrong. Aditya M wrong. Suraj wrong. Naomi wrong. Rohini wrong. Chandana wrong. Aditya M wrong. Chintana, right answer. Very good, Chintana. Aishri wrong. Tanmay SH wrong. Karthik wrong. Ullas wrong. Everyone is wrong. Suraj wrong. Lohit, right answer. Danvita send me one second. Harsha, right. Now Rishi, right answer. Very good, Rishi. Dheeraj, right answer. Kirtan wrong. Shashank, we are wrong. Dhruva, right. Tej Kiran, right. Yuvraj wrong. Danvita wrong. Abhinav wrong. All are wrong. Roshni, Nishchit, Akrut, right answer. Chumanna, right answer. Balaji, right. Kushal Gowda, wrong. Aditya, right. Wrong. Karthik, right. Aditya AM, right. Samanvita, right. Nidhi, wrong. Aditya AM, wrong. Chandana, right answer. Purvik, wrong. Kushal M, wrong. Okay. See, these are Suraj, right. Class 2 questions, okay. Class 2 book in the Thondra. Mais, right. Kushal Gowda, right. Yuvraj.
Sir,
Yeah, tell me. How you got the answer? ಯುವರಾಜ್ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ.
sir.
ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಹೇಳು ಇವಾಗ ಹೇಳು.
One spider ಗೆ 8 legs ಇರುತ್ತೆ sir.
Okay. Wait. Voice is not coming. I'll ask Harsha.
Sir,
ಹೇಳಪ್ಪ.
sir, ಅಲ್ಲಿ 8 spiders ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ sir. 8 spider ಅಂದ್ರೆ one spider ಗೆ 8 legs ಇರುತ್ತೆ sir.
Okay, so one spider means
8 legs.
how many legs?
8 legs sir.
8 ಕಾಲುಗಳು ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Okay.
Sir, 2 pairs ಆಗುತ್ತೆ sir. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು pairs ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ sir.
8 legs ಆದಂಗಲ್ಲೇ 2 pairs ಆಗ್ತವೆ.
Sir, 4 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ
ನೀವು ಪೇರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 ಕಣಪ್ಪ ರಾಜ.
Yes sir, sorry sir. 4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ sir.
What is the meaning of pair? Pair means 2. Remember this one. Okay, so 4 pairs will be there.
Yes sir.
The black.
Okay, so how many spiders they are given?
Sir, they are given 8 spiders sir.
Yeah, so 8 spiders means how many legs?
Sir, 32.
Yeah, 32 legs will come.
Sir, 64 sir. 8 spiders means
64 ಹೆಂಗಾಗುತ್ತೋ?
sir 8 into 8 32 legs.
Okay.
8 into 8 64 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Yes sir. ಮತ್ತೆ 4 pairs into 8 spiders is equal.
See, they are asking, okay, pairs there,
Yes sir.
right? How many pairs will come?
Pairs 32 legs sir.
Yeah, 32. Okay, see, that is not 32 legs. Okay, that is 32 pairs.
Yes sir.
Okay, but coming to the legs, 64 legs will come.
Yes sir.
Okay, 32 pairs and 64 legs. They are asking pairs now. See, answer is 32 pairs. Here,
Yes sir.
one spider. Okay, 4 pairs will be there.
Yes sir. 2 legs 1 pair, 2 legs 1 pair.
Yeah. So 8 spider means how many pairs? Okay.
8 into 4 divided by 1.
Yeah. So if you multiply these two, 8 into 4 divided by 1 means that is 8 into 4, that is 32. Okay. So answer is 32 pairs.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Good. We will move on to next one.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Next question. Be ready. See, this is the match the following. 4 questions are there. You need to match. See, this is first question, second question, third question, and fourth question. So you need to do the match the following. And they are given the answers also. A, B, C, D. Find out the answer. Send me the option. Tej Kiran right, Ashish right. Kushal Gowda wrong, Dhanmita right. Mithun right. Harsha right. Harsha right answer. Kushal has got I want options. Karthik wrong. 4 options they are given. Kirtan right. Tanmay SH right. Purvik wrong. Rohini right. Lohit Tanmay right answer. Chit wrong. Suraj right. Kushal S. Gowda right answer. Harichandan right. Bhuvan Chandra right answer. Kushalam wrong. Kruti wrong answer. Yeah, Krut wait. Aisiri right answer. Akrut yeah right answer. Dheeraj right answer. Adityam right. Yuvraj Gowda wrong answer. Kushalam right. Dhruva right. Prutvika no. Prutvika send me once again. Kushalam right. Ullas right. Purvik wrong. Shashank BR wrong. Navami right answer. Vaibhav Lakshmi right. Ullas right. Chumanna right. Rishi right answer. Very good. Chuman right. Chumanna right. Yeah, Sheetal is not understanding. Okay. Chintana right. Yuvraj right. I will explain. Balaji right. See here. First question is like this. They are given the blank into 5, that is equal to 40. See what should be there in this blank, they are asking. Okay. See, if you multiply 8 with 5 means you will get 40, no? Okay. So for first one, answer is B. Is that clear? And for second one, see they are giving 934 plus, they are given the blank is equal to 934. See, ಈ 934 ನ ಯಾವ್ದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 934 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. Of course it is 0. If you add the number with 0 means you will get same number. Coming to the third question. One more than the smallest even number. See, which is the smallest even number? Smallest even number. 2 is the smallest even number. Okay. So, one more than the smallest even number. One more than means, so what is the next number for 2? One more than. That is 3. Understood? One more than. So, Fourth question. 19 minus 10 is how much? Okay, if you subtract 19 and 10, what you will get? 9 you will get. So 40, 9, 34, 3 and 9 is the answer. Means you need to match like this for first one. So which one is the answer? 8 means option B. For 934, 0 is the answer, no? So option D. And for question number 3, what is the answer? 3 is the answer. Where is 3? Option A. And last one, if you subtract 19 minus 10, 9 will come. That is option C. C, B, D, A, C. Find out where it is. Clear? So you need to do the math following, okay? Shall I move on to next one? See, and also I will send this notes also, okay? Yesterday notes I not sent, I think. Okay? Now I will send everything. Yesterday's notes and also today's notes. Don't worry about the notes. Okay, think about the problems. Problems ಬಗ್ಗೆ think ಮಾಡಿ. ತುಂಬಾ ಜನ ರಾಂಗ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. See, this is class 2 questions. Yeah. See, find out the answer. Read out the problem. George has 9 pencils. He distributed all the pencils among his sisters. If each of his sisters got 3 pencils, then how many sisters does George have? This is simple one. Chintana right, Lohit right, Mithun wrong, Naomi right, Aditya M right, Dhruva right, Kushal S. Gowda right, Harsha right, Aditya M right, Rohini right, Manoj wrong, Tanmay S. right, Akrut right, Tej Kiran right, Samudra right, Kirtan wrong, Chandana right, Sadhvi Patel right, Chitra right, Purvik Rishi right, Anaga right, Mahish right, Kishan right, Rishi, what you are sending, Rishi right, Nishchit right, Roshni, no, Prithvika right, Dhanvita right, Aishiri wrong, Harichandan right, Yuvraj wrong, Suraj right, Shalini wrong, Savita right, Dheeraj right, Karthik right, Manoj right, Ullas right, Tarun right, Balaji right, Jaideep right, Aditya M right, Nidhi wrong, Chumanna right, Abhinav wrong, Aishiri right, Mithun wrong. Yeah, Suraj, I will do. Aishiri right, Kruti right answer. Kushal M right, Sheetal right. Suraj, message me after class, okay? Kushal Gowda right. Yuvraj, now it is right. Yena idale Yuvraj ninge. Sadhvi right. Savita right, Roshni wrong. Shalini wrong. Abhinav wrong. Kirtana wrong. Shashank we are wrong. Okay, Vaibhav Lakshmi right. See here, what we need to do here. George has 9 pencils. He distributed all the pencils among his sisters. Okay. If each of his sister got 3 pencils. See here, 9 pencils are there. Okay. Each sister is getting how many pencils? ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ರು ಓಕೆ ತಂಗಿಗೂ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಅವನ ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮೂರ್ ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ಸಿ ಇದೊಬ್ಳು ತಂಗಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದೊಬ್ಳು ತಂಗಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನ ಅವನು, ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಳು ತಂಗಿಗೆ 3 ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸಿ ಇವನು ಜಾರ್ಜ್ See, these are sisters. Sister 1, sister 2, and sister 3. ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟೆಷ್ಟು ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ? 3 pencils ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್? 3 sisters. Answer is 3. Okay. See how to calculate mathematically means 9 divided by, see this is mathematically how we are calculating means 9 divided by 3. That is equal to, see 9 ನ 3 ಇಂದ divide ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ what you will get? 3. Clear? See, distribute, share ಮಾಡೋದು ಈ ತರದ ವರ್ಡ್ ಬಂತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿವಿಷನ್. ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್. ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್, ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಂಚೋದು, ಆರ್ ಶೇರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಈ ತರದ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಡೂ ವಾಟ್? ಡಿವಿಷನ್. Okay, I will move on to next one. Be ready. This is somewhat difficult, I think. See, I will read out the problem. Salia bought 4 dozen of trays from the market. See here, 1 dozen means 12 units. You should know this one. Salia bought 4 dozen of trays from the market. Market in the 4 dozen tarta idale yaru? Salia annolu. Out of them, 5 were defective. See, out of them, 5 were defective means not 5 dozen, 5 units. Okay. See, suppose ಮೊಟ್ಟೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Okay. Out of them, 5 were defective ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 5 eggs were defective. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಮೊಟ್ಟೆ ಓಕೆ ಡಿಫೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಡಿಫೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಕೊಳ್ತೋಗಿದೆ. ಅಂಡ್ 15 ಬ್ರೋಕ್ ಡೌನ್, 15 ಮೊಟ್ಟೆ ಒಡೆದೋಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 5 ಮೊಟ್ಟೆ ಹಾಳಾಗೋಗಿದೆ, 15 ಮೊಟ್ಟೆ ಒಡೆದೋಗಿದೆ. ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಗುಡ್ ಟ್ರೇಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್? ಓಕೆ, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಟ್ರೇಸ್ಗಳಿದಾವೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದಾರೆ ಅವರು. ಓಕೆ, ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್. Aditya M right, Karthik right, Naomi right, Mithun right, answer Yuvraj right, Kushal S. Gowda right, Kushalam right, Dhruva right, Kushalam right, Chandana right, Vaibhava right, Vaibhava Lakshmi, Nitish wrong answer, Bhuvan Chandra wrong, Kirtan right, Dhanvita right, Bhuvan Chandra wrong, Sumadura right answer, very good. Chintana wrong, Chintana right answer. Okay, Rohini right answer. Rohini, yeah, right. Ullas right answer. Anaga right, Tej Kiran right, Rishi right, Sadhvi right, Adityam right, Nidhi wrong, Roshni right, Tanmay SH right, Jaideep right, Vishal right, Harichandan wrong, Kishan wrong, Nishchit wrong, Prithvika wrong, Kushal Gowda R right, Dheeraj right, Abhinav right, Shalini wrong, Purvik wrong, Bhuvan Chandra wrong, Balaji wrong, Chuvana wrong, Aisiri right answer. Yeah, Suraj very good. Akrut right, Kirtan right, Tanmay right, Tanmay SH, yeah right, Yashash right, Prithvika wrong, Kruti right, Harichandan right. Okay, see here. I will explain this one. See, Salia bought 4 dozen of trays. 4 dozen ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ? Salia bought 4 dozen means 4 into 12 na. 1 dozen means 12 units. 1 dozen ಅಂದ್ರೆ 12 ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಸೊ 4 dozen ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 4 into 12, that is 48. and out of them 5 were defective. Means out of 48, 5 were defective and 15 broken down. Okay, so total waste is how much? One is 5 were defective waste and 15 broken. How much? 20 is wasted. How many good trays? How many good are there? If you subtract, okay, you will come to know. So 28 are good. Understood? She bought 48. Okay. Then in that 20 were defective. Remaining good are 28. Yeah, Sheetal Purvik, right answer. Rohini, yeah, very good, Rohini. She is sending all the details there. Prithvika is having one doubt. Where is Prithvika? Yeah, Prithvika.
It is not good trace, sir. It is unit.
Yeah. See, actually, they have mentioned trays here. Okay, 4 dozen of trays. Okay. But ಅವರು ಇದನ್ನ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು ಅದನ್ನ. Okay. Even I thought same. Okay. Yeah, you can take that 28 units. Okay. How many good trays means actually dozen ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Dozen ಗಟ್ಲೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಅವನು. Okay. See here ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇದೆ. See ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 dozen of trays ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಅವನು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರೇಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4 dozen ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 48 ಟ್ರೇಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಓಕೆ, ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದೆಮ್ 5 were defective and 15 were broken ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟ್ರೇಸ್ಗಳು ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಗುಡ್ ಟ್ರೇಸ್? ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಟ್ರೇಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ 28 ಅನ್ನ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವು 2 dozen ಅಂತ ತಗೋಬಹುದು. 2 dozen and 4 units. ಅಥವಾ 2 dozen and 4 trays you can take. Okay, see this is 2 dozen trays only. 2 dozen ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 24 trays ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ. Plus 4 trays. 24 plus 4, 28 trays. Okay. Yeah, see find out the answer for this. See they are given one hat here. Okay, 3 bells is there. 3 bells are there. 1, 2, 3. If you add all these, you will get 57. Clear? And in the second row, what they are given? 3 hats they are given and 1 pin they are given. Okay, so you will get 70. And they mentioned, okay, that bell figure is there, no picture. That is 12. And find out what is the value of pin. Chintana right. Karthik wrong. Harsha right answer. Dhruva right answer. Roshni wrong. Mithun right. Mithun right answer. Bhuvan Chandra wrong. Surya wrong. Kushalas Gowda right. Sadhvi wrong. Kushalam wrong. Rohini right. See, think that if you are answering this one means your maths is good. Bhuvan Chandra no. Nishchit right. Nitish wrong. Nishchit right. Aditya M wrong. Dhanvita right. Kruti wrong. Rishi wrong. Dheeraj wrong. Yashu right. Kushal Gowda wrong. Jaideep right. Lohit right. Ullas wrong. Kirtan wrong. Tarun wrong. Kushal Gowda wrong. Naomi wrong. Kaushik right answer. Vaibhav Lakshmi right. Purvik wrong. Manoj wrong. Bhuvan Chandra wrong. Shalini wrong. No, Yuvraj wrong. Anaga MS wrong. Kushal M wrong. Surya wrong. Kruti wrong. Okay, see here. Tarun wrong. Chandana right answer. Kirtan right. Bhuvan Chandra wrong. See here. See, this is simple one actually. See, coming to the first row. See, we don't know what is the value of hat, but we know the value of this bell. 12. This is one bell. Second bell is 12. And third bell is 12. If you add all these, you will get 57. That is the problem. Okay. And here. See, we don't know what is the value of hat and what is the value of clip. Okay. See here. We need to find out the value of hat. Okay. Yeah. See, how to do this one means add all these things. 12 3s are 36. See here. Hat plus if you add all these, you will get 36 is equal to 57. See, how much should be added to the 36 so that you will get 57? 36 ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 57 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. How to do that one means, okay, you can subtract this one, then only you will come to know what is this value. How to do? 57 and 36 should be subtracted. Okay. Yeah, 7 minus 6 is how much? 1. 5 minus 3 is how much? 21. Means hat value we got 21. Clear? What is the hat value? So one hat value is equal to 21. Now, see here. One hat value 21, one more 21, again 21. We don't know the value of clip, but we know the sum, that is 70. Do the same logic. Okay. See, 21 plus 21 plus 21, how much you will get? See, that is 63 plus clip is equal to, see, if you add all these, you will get 63 plus clip is equal to 70. So what should be added with the 63? We will get, so that we will get 70. Clip value will become how much? 7, no? By looking at the problem only we can tell what is the value of clip. So clip is equal to 7. Understood? Or you can do the subtraction. 17 minus 63. So first you need to find out the value of hat. Next we need to find out the value of clip. Clear? Clip value is 7. Yeah, my is right. Tej Kiran right. Tanmay SH right. Sheetal Kruti right. Vishal, right. Kruti, right. Nitish, right. Okay. Yeah. See, shall I move on to next one? Ready? Okay. See. Next question. I think this is a dead easy question. I think you can read out the problem. Chintana, right. Naomi, right. Arsha, right. Kushal, S. Gowda, right. Dhruva, right. Very fast, huh? Suraj, right. Rishi, right. Lohit, right. Chandana, right. Prithvika, right. Harichandan, right. Eshu, right. Rohini, right. Tanvita, right. Nishchit, right. Harichandan, right. Surya, Mithun, right. Samadara, right. Prithvika, right. Tej Kiran, right. Kirtan, right. Bhuvan Chandra, wrong. Karthik, wrong. Purvik, right. Yeah, Chintana. You know. Yuvraj, right. Aditya, I am right. Dheeraj, right. Roshni, right. Kushal, I am right. Ullas, right. Aishiri, right. Aditya, I am right. Kruti, right answer. Very good. Purvik, right. Sadhvi Patil, right. Vaibhav Lakshmi, right. Manoj, right answer. Jaideep, right answer. Manoj, right. Kushal Gowda are right. Manoj, right. Kushal Gowda are wrong. Anaga MS, right. Purvik, right. Kushal Gowda are wrong. Anaga MS, right. Kaushik, right. Kishan, right. Tarun, wrong. Bhuvan Chandra, wrong. Tanma SH, right. Very simple one. A dead easy problem. Still some students are struggling there. Yeah. Kirtan. Idi wrong. Balaji, right. Sheetal, right. See here. So I will explain this one. This is very simple. Tim has a stand having two sticks. See here, you can observe one stand is there and two sticks are there. See, this is one stick and this is one stick. And 8 beads. Beads antandre manigulu. Okay. So how many beads are there? Total 8 beads are there. If team divides 8 beads equally between two sticks. See, ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಈ ಬೀಡ್ಸ್ ಮಣಿಗಳನ್ನು ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು. 8 ಬೀಡ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, 2 ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಕಿಗೂ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು. So we need to share 8 beads. Okay, should be shared among 2 sticks. Okay, if you do like that means here 4 will come and here 4 will come. Understood? So how many beads each stick contains? One stick ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟೆಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. So answer is 4 beads. Okay, how we did means mathematically, see, 8, okay, divided by, see, this is total beads, divided by, okay, how many sticks are there? 2 sticks are there. Okay, so if you divide 8 divided by 2, so you will get how many? 4 beads. Answer is 4 beads. Total beads divided by total sticks. Okay, so each stick is having 4 beads. Yeah, Samanvita, Nidhi, mice, right answers. Chintana, easy questions, huh? She is enjoying, I think. ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಚಿಂತನ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಅಲ್ವೇ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಯುವರಾಜ್ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ, ನನಗೆ ಅದೇ ಆಶ್ಚರ್ಯ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಯುವರಾಜ್ ಏನ್ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ ತಪ್ಪಿದಾನ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ಫೈನ್. ವಿಲ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆನ್ ಟು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, 9th one. ಸೆಂಡ್ ಮಿ ದಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಸಿ, ಟೈಮ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. What is the time? By looking at the problem. Q is reading clock. Okay, Q ಅನ್ನೋ clock ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ time ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. Sorry, that is a girl, no? Yeah, okay. Yeah, she noticed that the hour hand of the clock is between 5 and 6. Okay, ಅವಳೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ ಏನು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಅವರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ 5 and 6. 5 ಮತ್ತೆ 6 ಮಧ್ಯ ಇರುತ್ತಂತೆ ಅವರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ಅಂಡ್ ದಿ ಮಿನಿಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಟ್ 6. ಮಿನಿಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ, 6 ಹತ್ರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಟೈಮ್? ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಸಿ. ಕುಶಾಲ್, ಸುಮಾಧುರ ರೈಟ್, ಉಲ್ಲಾಸ್ ರೈಟ್, ಧ್ರುವ ರೈಟ್, ರೋಹಿಣಿ ರೈಟ್, ಧನ್ವಿತಾ ರೈಟ್, ಸೂರಜ್ ರೈಟ್, ನಿಧಿ ರೈಟ್, ಕುಶಾಲ್ ಎಸ್ ಗೌಡ ರಾಂಗ್, ಕೀರ್ತನ್ ರೈಟ್, ಯಶು ರೈಟ್, ಬಾಲಾಜಿ ರೈಟ್, ನಿಧಿ ರೈಟ್, ರೋಶ್ನಿ ರೈಟ್, ಆದಿತ್ಯ AM ರಾಂಗ್, ಅಕೃತ್ ರೈಟ್, ತೇಜ್ ಕಿರಣ್ ರೈಟ್, ಪೂರ್ವಿಕ್ ರಾಂಗ್, ಭುವನ್ ಚಂದ್ರ ರೈಟ್, ನಿಶ್ಚಿತ್ ರೈಟ್, ಜೈದೀಪ್ ರೈಟ್, ಚಂದನ ರೈಟ್, ಕುಶಾಲ್ ಎಂ ರಾಂಗ್, ಧೀರಜ್ ರೈಟ್, ಆದಿತ್ಯ ಎಂ ರಾಂಗ್, ಮಹೇಶ್ ರಾಂಗ್, ಐಸಿರಿ ರೈಟ್, ಚಿಂತನ ರೈಟ್, ಹರ್ಷ ರೈಟ್, ಲೋಹಿತ್ ರೈಟ್, ಆದಿತ್ಯ AM ರೈಟ್, ಸಾಧ್ವಿ ಪಾಟೀಲ್ ರಾಂಗ್, ರಿಷಿ ರಾಂಗ್, ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ್ ರಾಂಗ್, ಕೌಶಿಕ್ ರಾಂಗ್, ವೈಭವ್ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ರೈಟ್, ಯಶಸ್ ರೈಟ್, ಕುಶಾಲ್ ಎಂ ರಾಂಗ್, ಮಿಥುನ್ ರೈಟ್, ಯುವರಾಜ್ ರೈಟ್, ಕಿಶನ್ ರೈಟ್, ಕೌಶಿಕ್ ರಾಂಗ್, ಚುಮನ್ನ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್, ಮಹೇಶ್ ರೈಟ್, ಆದಿತ್ಯ M ರೈಟ್, ಆದಿತ್ಯ AM ರೈಟ್, ಕೃತಿ ರೈಟ್, ಹರಿಚಂದನ್ ರೈಟ್, ಯಶಸ್ ರೈಟ್, ತರುಣ್ ರಾಂಗ್. Fine. I will answer this one. Surya wrong. See, ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, she noticed that hour hand of the clock is between 5 and 6. Hour hand means see, that is shorter one. Try to understand. This is shorter one. Okay, this is called as hour hand. And if the hand is big, that is minute hand. I will write the clock. Okay, see, our end is between 5 and 6. See, supposing this is 5 and this is 6. See, our end is like this. Between 5 and 6. And coming to the minute hand. Minute hand is exactly at 6. Okay. Now you need to find out the time. What is the time? First we need to take this hour and 5. 5 and 6 means how many minutes? 5:30. What is the time means? Time is 5:30. That is what he is asking. See, this is hour hand. See, hour hand avalu ಸಣ್ಣದಿರುತ್ತೆ, minute hand avalu ದೊಡ್ಡದಿರುತ್ತೆ. Simple one. Yeah, see, we will solve last one and we will play one quiz. Last question, 10th question. This is the last one. This is also about time only. I think it is easy. Hour and ಎಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ 12:30 ಆಗಿದ್ದಾಗ. Okay, I think it is easy. Suraj right, Ullas right, others are wrong. So many are wrong. Tej Kiran right, Dhruva right, Yashas right, Chintana I think wrong. Okay, Kirtan right, Roshni right, Shalini wrong, Mohan wrong, Roshni right, Aishiri right, Kirtan right, Kushal right, Balaji right, Dhanvita right answer. Okay, Kushalam right, Pratvika wrong, Kushalam right, Chandana right, Harsha right, Yuvraj right, Tanmay says wrong, Okay, see here. Stop sending Akrut, right? Stop sending. Jaideep, right? Purvik, right? See, if the time on the clock is 12:30, then the hour hand is on. Okay. See, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇನೆ. See, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 12 ಇದೆ. So 12:30 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 6 ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Okay. See, hour hand ಈ ತರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, correct? 12:30 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ. See, ಇದು 1 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ in between ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Okay. So minute hand ಎಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ. It will be like this. ಅವನೇನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ? Then hour hand is on. Hour hand ಎಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. So it is in between 12 and 1. Clear? Time 12:30 ಆಗಿದ್ದಾಗ. Okay. So where will be the hour hand? Hour hand will be between 12 and 1. Clear? Okay. Yeah. See, I will stop here and quiz will be there now. Okay. Topic is maths only. Questions are very simple. Very, very simple. Try to attend that one and